Welcome back to the Fuji Guys channel. My name is Francis. So in this series of video, we're going to take a look on how to use certain features of the X100V. Alright, so first let's get started. So we're going to need a battery, NPW126S, and a memory card. So we're just going to open up the battery door, take the battery, align the orange dot with the orange tab and just drop it in, as well as take our memory card and just drop it into the memory card slot. Just close the door like this, open up the camera, select the language, and then lastly I'm just gonna make sure that the time and date is set correctly. So I'm just gonna press menu here and then go to user settings. So quickly I can just push the joystick up to go directly to the wrench icon. User setting, date and time, so 2020, there you go, it's the correct date and time, it's 45. And then lastly, before I go out and shoot, I just want to make sure that the RAW and JPEG settings are enabled because I want to keep both. So I'm just going to go into the menu by pressing menu OK, go to image quality, select fine plus RAW. And then lastly, I want to select the RAW recording to be lossless compressed. That will give me smaller files while still retaining all the details. So I'm ready to start shooting now.